In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer options on Android device Motorola. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Much like other brands or manufacturers, smartphones made by Motorola will not have developer options enabled by default. So in order to enable them, you have to follow some specific settings. To do this, open the General Settings on your Motorola device, and all the way at the bottom you will find About Phone. This is where you can unlock the developer options. So go inside of the settings, and then once you go into settings, scroll all the way down until you find About Phone. Inside of here, you will see plenty of options once again, and what you are looking for is device identifiers. So go into device identifiers, usually it is going to be close to the bottom, and finally tap on build number repeatedly. Usually it is going to be about 7 to 10 times in a row, so just keep tapping. Normally there will be a pop-up here telling you how close you are to becoming a developer. So just keep tapping build number over and over, and eventually you will see the pop-up telling you that you have now become a developer. So once you see that pop-up indicating that developer options have been enabled, you can go back and you will now have access to the main developer options on your Motorola device. This will work with any modern Motorola, so even if the UI is different or you have a different OS version, just find the device identifiers and finally build number. Tap on this option repeatedly and the developer options will be enabled for you. You will be able to change stuff like USB debugging, OEM unlocking, services, and so on. Very easy to do, and it works for any model. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.